Hey, welcome to Math Night. Tonight we're going to be working on how to solve story problems with our kinders. So we start with our story problem. Our elf has 5 candy canes. Santa gave him 5 more. How many candy canes does he have all together? Now sometimes you might want to have them retell the story. And then you want them to think about, what do they know? What happened in the story? And at the beginning, the elf has 5 candy canes. So we want to teach them to draw quick and efficient. When we draw our picture for the story, we don't want to go into a lot of detail drawing out an elaborate picture. We just want something quick to help us understand the problem. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that this is what the elf had to begin with. At the beginning of the story, he had 5 candy canes. Then Santa gave him 5 more candy canes. So now we're going to have to draw some more because he's getting more. So we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what the elf had, and then Santa gave him 5 more. So we want to think about it. Do you think he's going to have more than 5 or less than 5? And they should say, oh, there's going to be more than 5 because he had 5 and Santa gave him 5 more. So here now we're going to count how many he's got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's got 10 candy canes. So they can write their answer underneath. So right now, what we want them to work on is being able to understand what's happening in the problem and being able to draw a picture to match what happened. And then they can decide, oh, well, what am I trying to find out in the problem? I'm trying to find out how many candy canes he has all together. So then they can count how many and write their answer. So we also do this for subtraction. And I have a subtraction problem for us. I'll go ahead and take this off. So our next problem that we work on is just a little bit different. This one says there were 6 presents under the Christmas tree. The Grinch opened 4 of the presents. How many presents are under the tree now? So we got to think, what happened in the story? Well, we had 6 presents under the tree. And what happened? The Grinch came and opened 4 of those presents. So we got to think, are we going to have more or less than 6? So what happened with the presents? The Grinch took some. So will we have more or will we have less? Well, we're going to have less because the Grinch took them. He took them away. He opened them, and they're already open now. So we can draw our 6 presents. Let's do green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 6 presents under the tree. Now, I want to be quick and efficient. I don't want to draw out an elaborate picture with the Christmas tree and all the presents and the bows and all of that. We just want to work on the math. So I always tell them that mathematicians, they draw quick and efficient pictures because they like to work with numbers. So we drew our 6 presents, and I just did something quick and efficient, some squares. And now we've got to show what happened. The Grinch opened 4 of the presents. So what could we do? How could we show that the Grinch opened some of the presents? We could put an X. How many did he open? He opened 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the ones that he opened. So now I've got to figure out, well, how many presents are under the tree now? Well, if these are the ones that he opened, these are going to be the ones that are left. He has 2 presents left. So whenever we're solving our problems, we always want to make sure that they know what happened in the story so that they can draw a picture to match. Well, I hope you have fun solving math problems. See you later.